Ben Franklin Bridge, kind of hard to make out the top of the buildings here, or at least see the rain on the lens because of the moisture that we do have overhead. So as we look at Storm Tracker 6 Live double scan radar, you're going to see that we are tracking a lot of precipitation, and this is going to be the case as we go throughout the rest of the overnight hours. The dew point numbers also part of the reason why it has been so unsettled. We've got a 69-degree dew point in Philadelphia, 67 in Reading, 64 in the Poconos. Dew point temperature right now in Cape May coming in at 70 and 71 degrees in Dover. Here is Satellite 6 along with Action Radar. It's been unsettled, and here's part of the reason why. We have the humidity that is on the high side, but there's an area of low pressure that's just to the south of our region pressing through the Virginias right now, and this is kind of cut off from the main flow, so there's really nothing to steer it to the east. As a matter of fact, a lot of the showers are actually moving back toward the west, then pressing eastward. So this area of low pressure is just going to sit and spin as we go throughout the rest of our weekend. And because of that, we are dealing with the potential of some localized flash flooding as the rain is moving into many locations and it's really not moving out to the east. So here's Future Tracker 6. As we go throughout the overnight hours, we're still tracking some moisture. Flash flood watch should expire by 6 a.m. on Sunday, but we're still in and out of the wet weather with an easterly wind coming in off of the Atlantic tomorrow. It's mostly cloudy. It will be a cooler day with temperatures only in the lower 60s. Then as we get into tomorrow afternoon, we're tracking that same area of low pressure I was just showing you. It's going to lift on back to our north as we get into tomorrow afternoon. So the showers once again pressing into Philadelphia, even into Reading, down across areas in South Jersey. Anyone is for the most part fair game to find this moisture overhead. It is a big race weekend, and tomorrow at 2 o'clock is the main event up in the Poconos for the Pocono 400. Breaks of sun. It will be a cooler day with the temperature coming in at 66 degrees. And then over down the shore, if you're traveling there tomorrow, a couple of showers still likely, especially by tomorrow afternoon. It will be another cool day with a high temperature coming in at 64 degrees. Here's the exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast. On our Sunday, cooler with a high temperature of 65. Showers are likely, especially late Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Then we're still tracking the unsettled weather early on Monday with a high temperature of 68 with some late day breaks of sun. On Tuesday, it's warm with a thunderstorm possible with our Philadelphia Union at home and at 76. Then a nice pattern change as we get into Wednesday. It's comfortable with lots of sunshine, a high temperature of 70. High pressure stays in control on Thursday with sunshine and clouds and at 75. Partly sunny on Friday and it's 78, and we're seasonably warm as we get into next Saturday, Walter, with a high temperature coming in at 80. So we're in and out of the wet weather for the rest of tonight, then more moisture moves in tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, thank you, Melissa.